remember from before, this is called a polynomial. In fact, it's a trinomial. It has 3 terms. And we talked before the tape went on about the FOIL method a little bit. And you can actually factor this, and this is going to be something you'll need to do because you'll see expressions like this in a fraction. You'll need to deal with them. You'll need to be able to factor them. So this we decided was the f part of the FOIL. And so these two things multiply to give me x squared. So hopefully that's x and x. This is the f part of FOIL. This is O plus I in the middle. And this is L out here in your answer. That's how you get those pieces of the polynomial. So when I look at x squared, the 2 first parts have to give me x squared. So x times x is x squared. Now I'm not going to look at the next term, and I'm going to go way out to the end and look at 6. And we can get 6 a number of different ways. We go 6 and 1, 3 and 2 as examples. All right, now what I usually do is write those in, and then I check O plus I to see it turns out to be the right middle term. And with these both being plus, we need pluses there. So if I take the top combination, the 6 and the 1, outside is going to be 1x, inside is 6x, and together that's 7x. And that's not what we want in the middle. We want 5x. So that combination apparently didn't work. Here, outside is 2x, inside is 3x. And when I put them together, I do get 5x. So this would be the correct factorization then of that trinomial. And you're going to be able to, you're going to have to do this in some of these problems as we go along. And I'll help you with it if you get stuck. That's not a big deal because we have looked at this before, but it's something that's a little bit difficult. Okay, I do have a few problems here that I just want to review with you and have you help me solve so that I'm sure you know what is happening here. So this is our first one. Now, let's look at this 9 first. How do you think we should write that?
2 times 3. No, 3 times 3.
That would work better.
I can't do simple math here.
That might be better. So we have 3 times 3. Now with this 10 and 15, just leave the x alone for a minute, but the 10 and the 15, how do you suppose we want to write those two?
3 times 5.
3 times 5 for the 15. Now the 3 would maybe match one of those. And there's going to be a 5 down here when we factor. And now I'll fill in the other things I can put down there. The 3 we need, and the x we need over there. So what we did is we factored as much as we could here.